Hello, my dear friends. Once again, I'm Ritu Kaushik here to talk to you, discuss with you that how to control anger. And we are really thankful to this app, Learn Forward, because this app is giving us an opportunity to talk, interact, discuss, and also you can leave your comments also. You can leave your questions also in the chat box. So today's topic is anger management. And I'm sure anger is something which is bothering each and every one. All the parents, generally parents are complaining when they come for the counseling कि इसे गुस्सा बहुत आता है. He or she cannot control his or her anger. Anger is an issue worldwide. Irrespective of age, we feel that yes, anger is there, which is a trouble area of my personality. So let's see what anger is all about and how we can control it, right? So this is the picture, beautiful picture, children. Very beautiful picture. In this, two kids are shouting to each other or shouting to someone and showing there that they are not happy, they are not pleasant, they are not in the peaceful state of mind. So we can see that feeling angry is the slogan, and this girl is shouting with the mobile, and this boy is also shouting, like the hairs are pulled up, and the child is really very restless. अब anger है क्या? Anger is a natural emotion. We cannot say, because there are various human emotions and anger is one of them. We cannot expect that the person should not feel the emotion of anger in the personality. So it is really very natural. We say that it is a natural behavior, natural emotion, and it is a natural emotion. It is a negative feeling which often happen when a person thinks that someone or something has done wrong, and we feel angry when we feel that there is some restriction, when we feel that somebody is trying to hurt me intentionally, when we feel that somebody is trying to hit me intentionally, and somebody is trying to block my goals, and at that time I feel angry. So anger is a very natural emotion. We all express our unpleasant feeling with the help of anger. So when we realize that something, the person is intentionally has done something bad which puts them in danger, everyone feels annoyed, frustrated, irritated, and it is happening with everyone, irrespective of gender, irrespective of age, irrespective of the profession, because it is a natural human emotions like joy, happiness, care, concern, emotion like being friendly, being happy. So this is also one of the very natural emotion which we call as anger. So here in this picture we can see that the boy is trying to just do something out of anger and irritation. It is something, the difference, there is a difference between anger and aggression, children. As a child, you should know that anger is okay. You can have angry feeling at times when you feel that somebody is trying to hurt you, somebody is trying to harm you, somebody is just intentionally trying to create pain for you. You feel angry. It is perfectly all right. It is okay to feel anger at particular time, but it should not turn into aggression, right, children? It should not turn into aggression, and aggression means being physically violent. It should not be there. It is an emotion and it is okay to be angry. Aggression is acting out inappropriately and is not okay. Learn to check your aggression and express your anger appropriately. It is a well said quote that anger should be expressed in the appropriate manner, should be directed towards the target person, should be expressed in the appropriate manner, and should be felt at the appropriate intensity. It should not be that I become mad out of anger. No, it should not be that. I become violent in anger. No, it should not be that. So you need to understand that it is okay to be angry. It is okay not to feel happy in that particular situation, but not okay to be aggressive in the situation, right? So it is a basic human emotion response experienced by all people. Everybody feel angry at times. It varies from person to person and from situation to situation. It is quite possible that somebody has taken away your toy and you feel angry, whereas another friend of yours is not feeling, is really comfortable that the person, his toy or her toy are being taken away by someone. So another person is very comfortable in that situation, but you are feeling angry. It is perfectly okay, because it varies from person to person as well as from situation to situation. It is a strong feeling of displeasure with someone or something combined with the urge to fight back. So it is a strong feeling of displeasure. I'm not feeling comfortable. I'm not feeling pleasant, and I really want to take my revenge. So this is the feeling in anger. When I'm in the angry state, I feel that no, this person has not done things right with me, or this person has intentionally created pain in me, and definitely I should take the revenge of mine. So this is generally a feeling of anger. It is triggered by a threat or the perceived threat. I feel that I am in a danger, or I am perceiving that, oh, I can be in the danger. So that's the perceived threat or the imaginary threat, an injustice or hurt or frustration with such situations. So that create an anger. So, and it is a normal feeling we all experience. But yes, we need to realize that being angry is okay, but being aggressive is not at all okay, right? अब consequences क्या होते हैं? If I am in angry state all the time, if I am angry all the time, so उसके नतीजे क्या निकलेंगे? What are the harms I am going to cause to myself? Anger is natural, but we need to know that we need to express this anger in a very constructive way. और अगर constructive नहीं होगा, तो इसके कुछ bad consequences होंगे. Like can lead to problems at school, at home, and community. If I am angry all the time, so what is happening? People are trying to avoid me. They don't want to be friends with me. So they are not sharing their things with me. They are not sharing their stationery with me. They are not sharing what has been done in the class. In the family also, people are not playing with me. My younger brother or sister are also not just trying to be away from me, because I am in anger all the time. So it is not creating a pleasant environment for me. Not creating a pleasant environment for me, because I am in anger. मुझे हर समय गुस्सा आता है, right? Relationship problems. People are just trying to avoid being friends to me. People are not friendly with me, and people are not sharing with me. People are not cooperating with me, because I am in anger all the time. There are lots of physical problems as well. I am feeling very low. I lose my energy very easily, because all the time I am feeling physically overcharged because of my anger. So I feel that मैं बहुत जल्दी थक जाता हूँ. I feel very low in energy. I feel as if I am totally drained out in energy, because I am in the anger state throughout. And we know that हमारा जैसा mental state होता है, वैसा ही हमारा physical state feel होने लगता है. And there are lot many emotional problems. Emotional problems like you go back to home and you will complain to your mom, mom मेरे से तो कोई दोस्त ही नहीं करता, ओ उसने मुझे चिढ़ा दिया था, मैंने उसको हिट कर दिया, मैंने उसको ऐसे कर दिया, people are making fun कि इसको तो हर समय गुस्सा आता है, be away from him. So this is what, these are the emotional problems. Feeling lonely, left out, right? So these are the emotional problems which are just because I am in anger all the time. Low self-esteem, and I start feeling that people are not talking to me, people are not interested in talking to me, not interested in being friends to me, and because of that I start feeling very low about myself. I start feeling as if I am not good, as if I am not worth it, and this gradually drops down my confidence as well, children. मेरा confidence भी कम होने लगता है, right? And it is not okay that I start feeling low in confidence. So consider it that not to stay in anger all the time, right? अब देखते हैं what could be the possible triggers. Triggers मतलब ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं which create an anger in me. What are those incidents, those situations which immediately make me hyper, which immediately disturbs my mood, which immediately disturb my mental peace, and I become very aggressive, I become in the anger state. So these are few situations. Here we can see that this girl is being pointed out by so many people. They can be her classmates, they can be people in the family. So there can be many people who are just pointing out this girl, and this girl is here in this picture we can see the tears in the eyes, we can see the tears in the eyes, poor girl, but yes, she can deal with it, right? She should not feel helpless in such situation. कैसे deal करेगी ये हम लोग आगे के slides में देखेंगे. Here this boy is just trying to say that yes, I am able to control my situation. This small child is again feeling very low. Maybe किसी ने उसको tease कर दिया होगा. यहाँ पर this small girl is also feeling very irritated because this elderly lady is not listening to her, right? Here in this picture, the girl is saying no, 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 no more, no means no. I am not going to tolerate any more teasing. So these are the possible triggers being told no. अगर if I want to go out and play, I feel that मेरे बाकी के दोस्त खेल रहे हैं and I should also go and play, but my mom is saying कि no, you sit, do your homework and after that you will go. I want to play right now. No, no, mom, वो बच्चे बाहर से खेल के वापस चले जाएंगे. But mom is not listening to you because you wasted your entire day when you could have done or completed your homework. You did not do that. And now your mom is saying that नहीं अभी आप खेलने नहीं जाएंगे, अभी आप बैठ के काम करिए. And you are not ready to accept this no. And that makes you angry. Yes, होता है ना? हाँ, ऐसा होता है. Getting teased. किसी ने मुझे चिढ़ा दिया, I am feeling angry. Being interrupted. I was talking to my mom, I was talking to my grandmom, I was talking to my grandfather, and another sister or brother of mine, she came in between and she started talking about her event. That created a lot of problem in me and I start feeling angry in this such situation. Let me complete, why are you interfering? Then not being listened. Here in this picture, this girl is feeling angry because this lady is not listening to. So if I am trying to say something and the elderly person or the person whom I am trying to talk to is not listening to me, that create an anger in me. When someone is unfair, I feel that no, ये तो fair game नहीं था. Losing in game, game में हार गए. हम बॉल खेल रहे थे, मेरा कैच छूट गया, मेरे पास ज्यादा कैच छूटने का नंबर आ गया and I feel upset, I become angry and I say that oh, अगली बार से मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं खेलूंगा and please don't talk to me. So I am not ready to accept that defeat and that create an anger in me. Getting stuck with homework. Homework ही नहीं समझ हो रहा आ रहा है, खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. I am not able to complete in time. That created an anger in me. Someone taking something that belongs to me or getting ready to school in the morning. Generally, that is a big mood problem event when getting ready in the school for the school in the morning. So that really spoils most of the time the small children's mood and they throw a lot of tantrums and lot of problems to their parents. अब strategies क्या-क्या हो सकती हैं? What best we can do to handle this anger of mine? We can see that this boy is drinking a glass of water. एक ठंडा ठंडा पानी का ग्लास पी लेंगे और शायद मेरा गुस्सा सब खत्म हो जाएगा, भाग जाएगा गुस्सा, right children? Oh, these girls are doing deep breathing. That also create a lot of anger dispersal. Anger khatam ho jayega. Reading a good story book can also make me happy, make me emotionally balanced and more easy. Oh, doing this such a wonderful exercise, the yoga exercise, that is also like making these two boys and these two children very active, flexible and enjoying the activity. And here we can see that this girl was angry a time before, but now she is trying to hug her mom or the lady in the house and showing her happiness around. So what we can do? We can breathe in and out slowly for 10 times. You can breathe in and breathe out like these two girls are doing. Breathe in. So this is we can do at least 10 times. Squeeze a stress ball. You can take some ball or some object and just try to squeeze it very hard. That will release your anger. Take a break, drink a glass of water like this boy. Such a wonderful boy, intelligent boy drinking a glass of water. Talk to some grown-up person, किसी भी बड़े व्यक्ति के साथ. Oh, I was very angry mom. I was a very angry daddy. And please tell me something how I can control my anger. Wrap your arms around yourself. अपने आप को कस के hug कर लीजिए. That will also give you a feeling of comfort. Wrap your arms around yourself. Draw a picture about it. जिसके ऊपर भी गुस्सा आ रहा है उसकी एक पिक्चर बना के उसको काट पीट दीजिए. That will also release your anger. Write about your feelings. Do some stretches. कुछ activity इस तरीके की stretch activities also we can do. Think of something happy or some happy incident. Just जब बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है just try to visualize that happy incident of your life which made you so happy, and immediately you will just be feel that yes, your anger is just gone away. Read a magazine or a book, that will also work as anger buster. आपका stress खत्म हो जाएगा, आपका anger खत्म हो जाएगा, and you will be in the better mental state. You can also do this way, just get away from the picture, just sit in a corner and start counting, backward counting, till the time you feel that no, now your anger is over. Walk away and let it go. बाहर खेलने निकल जाइए, walk पे चले जाइए, that will also help it. You can also ignore the situation, just sit in the corner, don't pay attention to, and after a while your anger will go away. Say sorry. Saying sorry is always helpful. It always create a positive bonds between the people. Go to another activity. आपको उस समय उस बात पर गुस्सा आ गया था, just go and do some jogging, do some aerobic exercise, do some skipping, and then come back. That will also release you from your anger. Tell them to stop. किसी बच्चे पे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है, tell them no, please don't do it, stop it, right? Talk it out. अपने दोस्त से बात कर लीजिए. Go and talk to your friend that this had happened, I am feeling very bad about it, or write about it. या एक डायरी बना लीजिए, एक नोटबुक बना लीजिए, एक सुंदर सी स्केचबुक खरीद के लाइए मार्केट से, मम्मी को बोलिए या पापा को बोलिए या आपके जो भी गार्जियन है उनको बोलिए that you want a one beautiful handbook, and उसमें अपनी एक्टिविटी लिखिए. Write it down that what was the thing that made you angry over the situation and so on, right? आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि आप एंगर के स्टेट में हैं? When you feel that you are not able to focus. You are sitting for the study, and here we can see that this girl was trying to study, and this girl was trying to study, but they are not able to concentrate because that anger thought is coming again and again in the mind and distracting the attention. So that is when you are not able to focus. Do not talk properly. Somebody is trying to talk to you like this, or this girl, and they are not willing to talk. They are not willing to interact. That also an anger. Heavy breathing. I'm taking, my breathing is very heavy, very fast breathing I am feeling. That is also showing that yes, I am in the angry state. Then argumentative. कोई भी बात हुई मुझे तुरंत पलट के जवाब देना. Immediately I'll answer back to my friend or to anybody whomsoever I am angry at. That also is an indication that yes, you are in the angry state. I'm staring like this towards the person whom I am angered with, towards whom I have an anger. I'm just continuously staring that person. Go quiet and shut down. या फिर आपका अकेले बैठने का मन है. You just feel that no, अब मुझे इनके साथ नहीं बैठना, मुझे अलग जाके बैठना. You are trying to throw things, make an angry faces, becoming aggressive, like you are trying to physically hit that person, or you feel that yes, you want to cry right now. That is also an anger issue. Right, children? So this is how we have seen that yes, anger is something which disturbs me physically as well. मुझे एसिडिटी होने लगती है, मुझे ब्रीदिंग में प्रॉब्लम होने लगती है, मैं जल्दी थक जाता हूँ, जल्दी थक जाती हूँ. सो एंगर होना इज गुड, एंगर फील करना इज ओके, इट इज क्वाइट नेचुरल, बट बीइंग अग्रेसिव इज नॉट. सो व्हेनेवर यू हैव एन एंगर फीलिंग इन यू, immediately try to find out these strategies. Try to use any of the strategy to control your anger, and I'm sure you will immediately feel the change or feel the comfort in your mental state. Right, children? So we will meet again next week. Try to observe कि आपको कभी किसी बात पर गुस्सा आया था, and what are the strategies you used and how you felt after that. So see you next week. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay happy. Stay safe. Bye bye.